back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. The links to everything I share if you're interested in applying are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But today's job lead is from the company Lamps Plus. They're the nation's largest lighting retailer, like lamps, lights for your house, all of that thing, probably some chandeliers for over the kitchen table. They are hiring a remote customer support specialist. One thing I want to point out about this job right off the bat, they have big bolded that they're actively seeking candidates that reside in Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, North Carolina, Nevada, Oregon, Texas, or South Dakota. But all the way down at the bottom, it says they're interested in every qualified candidate who is eligible to work in the United States. So I do believe that they hire throughout the United States, but they're really interested in people from these states. So if you live in one of these states, you will get to the front of the line. They are offering a fully paid training program that's conducted virtually through webinar. Training will last 4 to 6 weeks, but they are looking for somebody to handle their incoming emails and tickets on all customer-related inquiries, order changes, status updates, cancellations, with an empathy and focus on solving any customer issues. So this does sound like it is going to be mostly non-phone with those emails and tickets. However, it does talk about in the job requirements being able to multitask, talk on the phone, and type notes at the same time. So there is a possibility that you will have to pick up the phone and talk to customers from time to time. They're looking for someone to handle all customer concerns and present on lampsplus.com in a positive light. You're going to try to prevent customer returns and ensure customer retention by making negotiations that are reasonable with the customer. You'll demonstrate self-confidence and that desire to go the extra mile for the customer from A to Z to create a positive customer experience. You will also help maintain standards set forth by the company quality assurance program, making sure that the highest level of service is provided while demonstrating improvements when necessary. So it is just a straight customer service, but it is mainly through email and tickets, with some phone work possible. They want somebody who has a minimum of 1 year customer service or some kind of administrative experience or a retail background if you've ever worked in a retail store. Someone who has great communication skills, great typing skills, the ability to multitask, and they're looking for somebody who's available to work evenings and weekends with Saturdays and Sundays. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay in this position. Final pay will have to be asked at the time of the interview. We'll get to my estimate in a minute, but they are offering a full benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, 401k. They do have a 3.2 star rating on Glassdoor. And previous people who've worked as customer service reps at Lamps Plus have the salary pegged anywhere between $36,000 a year and $44,000 a year. That would be $17 to $21 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.